You may have read The Babysitter's Little Sister number 106. I hadn't, and the other night my daughter came in and said, "Dad, you gotta read this book." So I started. There's a great point in here that I can address with you another time that I learned, but that's not what I'm here for. Michael Graber with TeamGraber.com, 201-571-0816. In order to grow your business strong, you need to take tips from wherever they come from, even sometimes your 7-year-old daughter. But what I'd like to show you today is I have a book tip for all of you where you can gain enormous tips for your business and grow your business strong, not only externally but internally. And that book is High Trust Selling by Todd Duncan. It's a book that deals with how to build the principle of the iceberg, which is to make sure that you have a strong inner devotion to what you're doing, and then to see what areas of your business you can focus on to delegate to others to help grow your business, to focus on the areas that actually make you income. Michael Graber with TeamGraber.com, 201-571-0816. If you'd like a free copy of Todd Duncan's High Trust Selling, give me a holler and I'll get you a copy. Let's grow your business strong, one step at a time, or in this case, one page at a time, today.